Ciara McMahon. I'm team leader of the West Side section at Dublin Zoo. Well, we've got two Amur Tiger cubs, two female Amur Tiger cubs here at Dublin Zoo, Alina and Zarina, born to mum Tundra and dad Usury. Great for Dublin Zoo and for conservation of Amur tigers. You know, to have two females born was a huge day for us. And as we said, on numbers, we're looking at numbers of around 500. It depends where you look, 400 to 500 in the wild. So massive birth for the zoo and for conservation. You know, we've got to make sure they're fed every day, whereas with a lot of carnivores, they'll be fed every 36 hours, 40 hours. Much more natural to bulk feed and then burn off. But with the cubs, it's very important that they're fed every day. Welfare check, of course, every day is done to make sure that everything's okay from the night before. So there's a little bit of looking after them, but mum does a much better job than we do. We're just mainly visual inspection and feeding, and of course cleaning the areas where they are. At the moment, we said they're 6 months old, so they're still developing. That's how we spoke about the food intake is very important. They're learning all the time, and they're learning from both parents, as we said. So the traits that they learn, stalking, hunting, you'll see them doing it in there with birds that fly in. They don't get them, but they'll do it. That's all learned from the parents. What will happen to our cubs going forward is when they reach around 18 months to 2 years, they become fully grown, as we say. They develop full canine sets of teeth. So at that stage, we will move both females from Dublin Zoo. So you've got a stud book and a species committee. They will make a decision on the two cubs, where they will go throughout Europe. So what will happen is they'll be paired with males individually and then start another group and hopefully go on to breed and again bring more Amur tigers into the EP population. As we said before, numbers are very, very bad in the wild, 450 to 500. So, you know, zoo environments now guardians of these species. So, you know, going forward, that's what we're looking for.